Assalamu alaikum ladies and gentlemen, my name is Sufia Anjum. Welcome to yet again another session. Aapko pata hai, happy Mother's Day to everybody out there. It is a wonderful day today. 6 mothers, 6 inspirational stories powered by the Sixth Sense group. Tameer karo mohabbat se. And now I have somebody here in the studios who basically has the same energy as I do, and we were just loving each other's auras, ladies and gentlemen, presenting the very talented Amna Raja. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum. How are you?
I'm good. Happy Mother's Day to you.
Happy Mother's Day to you too.
Lovely. You know, the first thing I noticed, your earrings, man. I love your earrings. Where did you get them from?
From this Dachi festival, and I love silver jewelry.
Yeah?
So it was from Bhavalpur. So I'm always in these kind of things.
Acha,
I loved your energy too. I'm like that. So
I know. You know, I think it's very important for us to realize that energies have a lot of sort of auras and impact as well at the same time. Acha, now that since Amna, we're talking about Mother's Day, and mashallah, you're a very hands-on mother. So let's talk about your journey as a mom.
Journey as a mom started 19 years ago. Mashallah, my daughter is 19, my son is 14, and I will tell you that I wanted every woman, I still teach that in my courses, that I want every woman to do what she wants to do in her life and not treat children as something that is a hindrance in their lives and they have to stop everything. So it is so important, Sophia, that children watch their mothers do what they wanted to do in their lives, achieve their goals, fulfill their dreams, because it is important for them to see role models.
Absolutely.
And I think एक माँ से ज़्यादा कोई role model नहीं होता. और my grandmother used to say that अगर आपने अपने बच्चों को कुछ सिखाना है तो आप वो खुद बन के दिखाएं.
बिल्कुल.
So for it's just lecturing them on things is not enough. You have to be that role model.
Practice what you preach.
So I always had my children with me at work. The reason I never went out commercially and kept my studio at home was because they were very little. My daughter, when she was born, I started working in my guest room, and then when my son was born, I had the basement to myself. So every time I was going up and my name was being built, my children were growing with me, as was my business.
How lovely.
So until they went to school and were completely on their own and slightly older is when I ventured out and got myself a commercial place.
Oh, I love this. अच्छा, पता है एक चीज़ मैं यहाँ पे डिस्कस करना चाहूँगी. अक्सर में ऐसा लगता है ना कि बच्चों को तो कुछ पता नहीं होता, बच्चों के सामने उनको क्या पता चलना है. But they are very intelligent, very smart, and they pick up instantly. You know, if you're doing something wrong, something which is a little awkward.
Yes. I feel that my 2-year-old, when I got dengue and I was going to the hospital, he was hysterical and I was acting very cool, and I was like, no, I'm just going to come back. And he was like, no, you're not coming back. And I did not come back for a week. So I realized children also pick up on vibes, and children also pick up on energy, and you as a mother, as an entrepreneur, as a businesswoman, you have to keep the environment very happy and very positive for your staff to grow, for your family to grow, for your children to grow. So I really believe in that.
Absolutely.
Really.
I believe in that as well. Acha, Amna, to be very honest, you know, I absolutely love your salon. And Amna Raja जो है वो master classes भी देती हैं, luxury salon भी है उनका. So I really want to know that, you know, so many mothers come to your salon as well, and I'm sure you have a different kind of conversation with them, and probably they bring their kids along. So what do you guys usually talk about as mothers?
First of all, the mothers who come are the mothers of the brides who are very nervous, and they need a lot of comfort that day. So I try to do that for them because their beautiful daughter is going away that day. So that, and then a lot of mothers who come for the courses, I tell them my entire journey and how they can, because a lot of people lack confidence. We need to instill that in people, and we need people to realize that life is all about being confident in your own talents, in your own being, in your own whatever you feel is something you want to do. You need to be confident that you can achieve it.
Absolutely. So I agree with that. And also I feel that, you know, if you can think it, you can do it. You know, this is something which we need to inculcate as well. अच्छा, so एक बड़ा interesting tagline है, तामीर करो मोहब्बत से. तो आपको पता है कि जो हम लोगों की एक campaign चल रही है, initiative है Sixth Sense Group की. So what do you have to say about that on Mother's Day specifically?
Build everything on love. Yes, it is the most beautiful tagline, I would say, because जो चीज़ आप प्यार से चीज़ लोगों से भी करवा सकते हो, अपने बच्चों से करवा सकते हो, वो आप कभी भी गुस्से में या बहुत बदतमीजी से किसी से भी दुनिया में नहीं. So I feel that love transcends everything in this world, and it actually also is correlated to confidence.
Yes.
You give your children confidence through giving them unconditional love, and it is the most important thing in a child's upbringing. And while they're growing up, you get your point across through love and through actions. I really believe my tagline with my children is, actions speak louder than words.
Oh, for sure.
And your actions should be all full of love.
Of course. I mean, everyone
and
is talking.
Positivity, yeah.
I think that's lovely. There are lots of good messages coming in from Amna Raja. मेरे ख्याल से कि आप अपने ना मेकअप की मास्टर क्लासेस के साथ साथ ना एक फिलोसफी की क्लास भी कर लें. मैं भी आऊंगी. मैं तो पहले से अटेंडेंस लगाने लगी.
में इस वर्ल्ड में सिर्फ आपको मेकअप आना जरूरी नहीं होता. आपकी एक ओवरऑल पर्सनालिटी होनी चाहिए, एम्पैथी होनी चाहिए, फोरसाइट होनी चाहिए टू, because you're building people, actually you're basically giving your knowledge, imparting with your knowledge, and building somebody's confidence in going forward and becoming something in life.
I love that, because you know, even on the social media, you know, the kind of comments we make, even if we like somebody, support somebody, tag somebody, mention somebody online, I think it goes to show that how much would we want to support that person.
Yes.
So it could be as simple as just tagging somebody online and saying, hey, you know what, I love your work.
Yes.
And I really admire your style. Yes. It will bring a smile on the person's face.
And you have no idea how women can actually uplift other women.
Yes.
You have to delete somebody being in competition with you.
Sure.
You have to delete that word from your mind.
Absolutely.
There is no competition to you. So it's really important that women build each other up, and for children, it is imperative for them to see mothers who are building other people up.
Fabulous. I think Amna Raja की जो master class on philosophy है, सबसे पहले जो है ना मैंने attend करनी है. Amna, thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you so much for having me.
Pleasure. Happy Mother's Day to you, and I'm sure that your kids will be very excited to see this video online as well.
I'm sure.
Thank you so much everybody for watching. My name is Sophia Anjum, 6 Mothers, 6 inspirational stories powered by the Sixth Sense Group. तामीर करो मोहब्बत से.